My name is Jason Ramsay. I'm a licensed flooring contractor here in Orange County, California. We specialize in the installation of hardwood, tile, and carpet, showers, and countertops. I got into the business when I was 17 years old. It evolved into working for different contractors, and I started working for myself with a few people, and we are now one of the leading flooring companies in Orange County, California. When I first started out, I was writing hand invoices, and then I stumbled upon QuickBooks. I just used it for the invoice templates. I felt there had to be something easier, something different. In the App Store, I put in the word invoice. Lo and behold, Invoice2go came up. I checked it out. I started filling in my logo and doing all this cool stuff to personalize it. And I tell you what, my invoice and estimates looked 100 times better. And I've been using Invoice2go ever since. They're constantly evolving, constantly making it easier for us to get paid. When I go to a customer's house, and the customer usually asks me, how quick can you get this to me, Jason? Usually I'll go out to my truck, and before I leave, I will populate the estimate immediately. I feel a lot of times me being the first one to get to the estimate to the customer can allow me to win that job. If I have any advice to offer any small business person, I would say specialize in it, be the best you can be, and constantly educate yourself and never give up. So using Invoice2go app has been a real wonderful experience in my business and has been a huge part of my success. And I trust Invoice2go app for all my invoicing needs.